Hi, today on my treat I'm going to show you how to make homemade Oreos. In a bowl, combine your melted butter and sugar and then whisk until well combined. Next, add in 1 egg and vanilla extract and beat this mixture until it is light and fluffy. Now in a separate bowl, mix together your flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Once it is thoroughly combined, you can add it to your wet mixture. Fold all the ingredients together and then let the batter sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Once the dough has chilled, you can scoop it onto a lined baking sheet using an ice cream scoop. Cut each scoop in half and then roll it into balls. Then repeat this with the rest of your batter. Now bake the cookies off for 10 to 12 minutes depending on their size. Now we can get started on the filling. In a bowl, add your butter and then whip this until it is light and fluffy. Next, gradually add in your powdered sugar. Make sure not to add it all at once or else it will fly everywhere. Make sure to scrape down the bowl so everything is incorporated. Next, add in a splash of vanilla and incorporate this into the frosting, as well as a splash of milk. Next, transfer the batter into a piping bag with a small round tip. Once the cookies have cooled, you can start to pipe in the filling. Pipe it onto one cookie and then sandwich the other one on top. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and for more videos like this, check out the previous recipes on this channel as well as my blog linked in the description box below.